A federal judge in Brooklyn has ruled against parts of Donald Trump's immigration ban, which bars entry for 90 days of citizens of 7 predominantly Muslim countries, which are Iran, Iraq, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, and Yemen. And it also suspended entry of all refugees to the United States for 120 days and barred Syrian refugees indefinitely from entering our country. And the way that this judge ruled was that anyone who is stuck at an airport is not to be sent back to their own country, and that the only thing that sucks about this is the way the judge ruled is it didn't say that these people are allowed to enter our country like they would have if Donald Trump didn't sign this executive order yesterday, and the judge didn't say that, or the judge didn't make a ruling on the constitutionality of Donald Trump's actions. And I think that the judge should have went further and say, look, these people should be allowed into our country, just like any other person who's coming in from another country. These people should be allowed to. Also, we already have a vetting process that it does its job. And the myth of we're allowing in all these terrorists is just fucking nonsense. It's like Donald Trump has an issue. He's a malignant fucking narcissist where it doesn't matter if, night is night and, morning is light or whatever. He'll say, oh yeah, and at midnight it's daytime, and then at noon it's midnight or whatever. You know what I'm saying? He's like he has an alternate interpretation of facts, or not even facts, just fucking lies. And he's so fucking petty. And this is probably the worst thing that he's done his entire presidency. It's disgusting. Like I have neighbors who I grew up with who are from Bosnia, and a lot of them have posted on Facebook comparing the genocide that occurred in Bosnia to the genocide that is occurring in Syria and other countries. And the fact that you can deny entry to someone who's fleeing from such conditions is unfucking real. There was this there was a boat of Jews who came over here when Hitler was starting to commit the Holocaust against the Jews in Europe, and we sent their boat back to Nazi occupied Europe or whatever, and they were all fucking killed. He's doing the same fucking shit. If some of these people, if they go back, they will be killed. They will die. And it just fucking blows my mind away. Like I don't get how someone who can say that they're a morally or an ethical person can look at this and be okay with it. It's disgusting, man. I hope that the United States sees what Donald Trump is doing and rallies against it, because it doesn't matter if you're a Republican or Democrat. If I don't understand how you can look at a child who just had their entire fucking city turned into rubble, and you're going to deny them entry into the United States. Like the family values party of the notion that the Republicans are the family values party, it just blows my mind away. That's bullshit. They don't care about human life. They don't give a fuck about that. All they care about is money and greed and corruption. It's hard for me to even make this video, because I know people who have fled a genocide, and the notion or the thought that I wouldn't be able to know them if, let's say, President Bill Clinton turned his back on the people who fled from Bosnia. And Bill Clinton, during his presidency, he turned his back on the people in Rwanda, and within 100 days over 1 million people were killed, and we failed to act. See, this is an issue that there's no it's not even enough for fucking debate. If someone's fleeing from a genocide, you help them. That's all I have to say. Thanks for watching. Peace.